Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile so that only your friends can see your photos, posts, and stories. This is a great way to protect your privacy and make sure that only the people you trust can see your information. Let's go to the Facebook app. Tap on the Facebook icon to open it. Here, we are on the Facebook homepage. To lock your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. To open up the settings, you can tap on this gear icon or scroll down and tap on the very last option, which is Settings and Privacy. A new Settings and Privacy menu open on the screen. Tap on the first option, which is Settings. Scroll down, and here we have a profile locking option under Audience and Visibility. Tap to open it. And from here, we can lock the profile in just one step. Once your profile is locked, only your friends will be able to see your photos, posts, and stories. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. At the very bottom of the screen, tap on Lock Your Profile, and your profile will be locked. Keep in mind that maybe Facebook allows this feature in some countries and in some countries not. There is another way to do this. Close Settings, and let's go back. Open your Facebook profile. Tap on these three horizontal dots. In Profile Settings, we have a Lock Profile option. Tap to open it. And lock your profile from here. That's it. Now your Facebook profile is locked. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests, but they won't be able to see your personal information unless you approve their friend request. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below, and thank you for watching.